Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another TARMAC cards video. So in today's video we're gonna open up my first ever box of TARMAC cards Mitsubishi Event Special Volume 1. In the last video we did pull a gold parallel gold parallel 6 out of 10 Porsche RWB. It's from the RWB set. And today we're gonna open the Mitsubishi Lancer set. Actually, I bought this, of course, in Jakarta, over at ToyManX, Indonesia. So today we are gonna open up this box of Mitsubishi, and if you don't know, for Mitsubishi, this whole box, it comes in 4 cards, and each 4 cards per pack, sorry, and 5 packs per box. So in this one box there is 5 cards, which you can see on the front of the box. But first we're gonna open up the seal first, of course. So we shall open it up so that we can see a close look of the whole box, so that we can, kind of know more about this set. As if I've already opened up the box, I can obviously tell you guys what is the box about. So here it is, a very nice looking box design right here. So the 4 cards that are displayed right here are what will be in each pack. So over on the side, so look for these parallel cards. We have the carbon parallel card, speed of light parallel, which is serialized of 149, and the crystal parallel card, which is per 99 of serial. And there's the back, a clearer view of the cards. Of course, made in Hong Kong, Mitsubishi official license. So yeah, I guess without further ado, of course, let's go ahead and open this up. So in this whole box we will get 5 packs of Mitsubishi, and of course we will see what we will actually pull in this one pack. There you go. So there's 5 packs in the box, and each pack contains 4 cards, which are on the front of the pack. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the pack. Oh yeah, the carbon parallel does not have the serial. The only one has the serial is the speed of light parallel and the crystal parallel. So I guess we're gonna open up our first pack. There's the front of the pack, and let's of course open it up. Never opened up a Mitsubishi pack before, so we're gonna experience it together. This is the Mitsubishi Evolution 4. A very nice card. So it's the first time I'm seeing the Mitsubishi Evolution cards, besides the car and card combo cards. A bit different from those, but yeah. So this is the Lancer Evolution card, and right, of course, at the back of the card, here's the back of the Evolution 4, which is really nice. Very cool one, white colored card. This the first card, and then the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 3 in yellow. Oh, I see a crystal parallel, I think. A Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 3 right here on the front, and there's a crystal parallel, which I'm gonna check the serial. I'm not sure which serial is this. This is my first time pulling this type of parallel. Never pulled one before. So this is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 2, and let's see the number. It is number 74 out of 99, right there on our first pack. That is very, very nice. That is in fact the crystal parallel. According to the box, a crystal parallel Mitsubishi Lancer number 74 out of 99. That is so nice. Very cool one. The last card would be the Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution, which is the first one. GSR Evolution 1, basically. That is nice. And yeah, there's our first pack pull of the whole video, which is nice. On to our second pack. Can we hit something out of this one? One. A fun fact, the reason why they didn't include the silver parallels in this set is mainly in fact because of due to what do you call that, the car and combo card and car combo set. So that one has the silver parallel, so that's why they don't include it. So here is the Lancer GSR Evolution 4, again as a normal card. And then we have the normal version of the GSR Evolution 2 in red. And I believe behind us we have a carbon parallel, which is non-serialized, and it's a GSR Evolution 1, which is nice. Carbon parallel, no serial by the way. And the Lancer GSR Evolution 3, which is totally nice. So we got one carbon parallel in that one. Next pack, let's see. Oh, GSR Evolution on the front, the first one. So Lancer GSR Evolution 1. Then we have the Lancer GSR Evolution 2 regular card. And what's that behind? It is a... Oh! We got a crystal parallel again. The Lancer GSR Evolution 4. This is another crystal parallel, right? This is number 7 out of 99. That is really, really cool. That is a nice pull right there, number 7. Single digit card, which is nice. Lancer GSR Evolution 4 right there. And then the Lancer GSR Evolution 3 as a base card. That is a nice pull. In fact, we pulled 2 already. Not speed of light, but the crystal parallel, which is out of 99. Nice. 2 more packs. I believe we're gonna hit 2 more carbons. I think. I don't think we're gonna pull. I don't know what the hit rates are for this one. So you have the GSR Evolution 4 on the front, and GSR Evolution 2 right behind it. And yeah, it is a carbon parallel. So it is a GSR Evolution 3 in a carbon parallel, which is pretty nice. Non-serialized. And the GSR Evolution, which is the regular card. So a carbon parallel in the 4th pack. Last pack magic. Let's see if we hit anything good. I presume it's more gonna be a carbon parallel. I don't think it is going to be a speed of light parallel or crystal parallel. So we have the Lancer GSR Evolution 4. Yeah, it is a carbon. You can see it already. GSR Evolution 3 in yellow. And we have the carbon parallel of the Lancer GSR Evolution 2, which, yeah, we pulled the carbon parallel, we pulled the base, and of course the crystal as well. The carbon parallel, and yeah, the carbon parallel, and then the regular card for the Lancer Evolution. So yeah, carbon. So yeah, there you go. That wraps up our opening of the Mitsubishi packs. So we pulled 1, 2, 3 carbon parallels and 2 unique crystal parallels in that box, which is really, really good. So we got 2 parallels, 2 serialized parallels. We didn't get that one speed of light parallel. We didn't get that, which is per 149. Honestly, I've never pulled the crystal and speed of light parallel ever before, so it's really good to actually pull these. I've never even seen it in person, so yeah, I love the parallels. Oh yeah, by the way, the cards they actually have the PET layer, just so you're wondering. So yeah, it's already applied on the Lancer Mitsubishi Lancer set. So yeah, 2 crystal parallels, which are really, really cool. Number 7, number 74 for the Evolution 2, and number 7 out of 99, and in the Evolution 4. So yeah, the other 3 are carbon parallels. We got the Evolution 1, Evolution 2, and the Evolution 3. Technically, we don't have the Evolution 4 carbon parallel, but still it's fine. I'd say it's really good to have these, as I've never gone the speed of light parallels. But yeah, there you go. That is my unboxing of the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution box, volume 1, the event special box. Really cool mini set, I would say. It's not really a huge set or anything. They actually have only a few parallels and only 4 types of different cards. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section down below on these 2 unique pools, I would say. But yeah, there you go. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys in the next TARMAC cards unboxing. See you soon. Bye bye.